everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are baking the best cinnamon rolls ever. Let's make it together. First pour some warm milk. Make sure it's warm but not hot. Now add melted butter, sugar and yeast. Then crack in the eggs at the end. Mix them all together. Add the flour and mix everything until you get a smooth dough. Flour your work surface and knead the dough. It might stick a little, but don't worry. Just add some flour and knead well until it comes together. Grease a bowl and place the dough inside. Cover it and let it rest for 2 hours until it doubles in size. Now mix the butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar together to make a filling. Then set it aside. Now let's make the caramel base for our cinnamon rolls. Mix butter, sugar, and sweetened condensed milk together. Then set it aside. Now pour the caramel mixture into your baking dish. Flour your work surface and roll the dough out, flattening it to about 20 millimeters thick. Now spread the cinnamon filling we prepared, butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla evenly over the rolled out dough. Now start rolling the dough. If it sticks to your hands, just sprinkle a little flour to make it easier. Use dental floss to cut the cinnamon rolls into even pieces. Then place them carefully into the dish with the caramel base. Once the rolls are in the dish, cover them and let them rest. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until golden brown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which recipe you want me to make next. For the frosting, mix cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, vanilla, and powdered sugar. After baking, immediately spread it over the warm cinnamon rolls. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.